Hi viewers, welcome you all. Today we are going to show how to make Ragi Chapati. Ingredients for Ragi Chapati: 1 cup of ragi, 1 cup of water, salt to taste, and oil to fry. Keep the pan in flame, switch on the flame, add 1 cup of water and salt to taste. Let the water to boil so we can add the ragi flour later. It's not ragi roti, it's ragi chapati. See, water going to boil now. As soon as the water get boiled, sim the flame, then add the flour and mix it well, and remove from this pan, transfer to other one and let it cool to make balls out of the ragi. So we're going to sim the flame now, and you can add the ragi. So if you are using normal water, the ragi chapati will not come properly. You have to use boiled water for ragi chapati. You have to prepare the dough same as shown in video. You can switch off the flame now. So mix it well like this. You can transfer this dough to other bowl. We are transferring that one to other bowl. See, it's very hot now. Let it to cool. Can make this as round balls to make chapati. See, the dough is cool now. So see, it's very healthy. As you know, ragi is rich in calcium and iron. It's very good for the bones. So, and it's very healthy for the morning breakfast. Ragi chapati you can have with pickle also. If you are having pickle, or if you are having any side dish made of potato or something else, it will do. The normal side dish which you are using for chapati, the same thing will do for this one also. It's very easy to prepare. You can use atta as dust flour for this one. Roll like this. You have to give a gentle press while rolling the chapati. No need to press like while you are using the atta to make chapatis. Just give a gentle press. Have to roll and keep like this. The ragi chapati is ready to fry now. Keep the tawa in flame. Tawa is hot. Apply little oil. If you want to make this dish little bit rich, you can use ghee also instead of oil. We are using oil. If you want rich, you can use ghee. So keep the flame in medium. Don't keep in sim or don't keep too high. It should be in medium flame. So you can see light brown color. It's very hard to notice, but this is the thing, it's cooked. So we have to cook both the sides evenly. See, now it's fully cooked. So we're going to remove this one from the flame. Cooking the second one. See, we are using coconut oil, that's why smoke is coming like this. Coconut oil is better than other oils. See, we have cooked all the 5 chapatis. It's very soft. You can see that. See, it's very soft and flexible. See, it's too soft. That's it. So if you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.